Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. What I have here is the Nespresso Vertuo capsule. This is the sweet vanilla, and this comes in a pack of 3 sleeves. I absolutely love this flavor. This is a 7.77 ounce cup of coffee, and I like to add a little bit of half and half, a splash of coconut milk, and I'm good to go. This does have a distinct vanilla flavor, and it is so good. I love the Nespresso line. I have the Vertuo machine, of course, that I've had for years. And these pods that they make are fantastic. They're easy to use, they're easy to dispose of. I love the fact that in just a few seconds I can have a hot cup of coffee brewed and ready to go. I would highly recommend, if you have not tried Nespresso before, or if you have not tried the sweet vanilla, then definitely give it a chance. It'll make your morning routine that much easier, and it's delicious. So what can go wrong? But that's just my point of view.